Hello community of Elrond. This is an educational video about the Maiar app. In the next few minutes we will dive into what Maiar is, what it's for, and some aspects for correct and complete use. So please stay tuned and join us watching this video tutorial informing us of the revolution that is going to take the financial world by storm and change the economy as we know it. The video is divided into 7 parts to take it easier to understand. Without further ado, let's get started and get into the Maiar application. What is Maiar? Maiar is a disruptive application powered by Elrond, in which users from all over the world can send and receive money to each other with just one click. Some of you will say, so what's new about that? To begin with, you are 100% the owner of your funds. Not a bank, not an entity. You, as an individual, are the owner of all the capital that you have in your account. Likewise, we can be part of the blockchain without even realizing it. The application uses Elrond technology for its security and low transaction costs. Allows us to buy eGoLD and save it as our savings. In addition to buying, we can delegate our funds to any of the investment providers that exist and earn between 12 and 14% APR on the same asset, in just a few seconds and without leaving the couch. But how much is it going to cost me? All these operations have an insignificant or trivial cost, which fluctuates based on the price of eGoLD in real time. In short, what is Maiar? Maiar is the application that will radically change the conventional economy and the way we interact with money, thus granting us authentic financial freedom. How to install Maiar? Maiar is an application like any other. We just have to go to our app provider. Go to the Play Store if you use Android OS or Apple Store if you have an Apple smartphone. Once inside, we enter Maiar in the search bar and make sure that is the official application and download it. Next, we open the app. Maiar will welcome us with some general information about this disruptive economy. We create an e-wallet where we will buy and receive our eGoLDs, Elrond's native token. The application will ask us to connect our wallet to a phone number. There can only be one wallet per number. After we enter our number, a text will be sent with a code. Enter it and we will automatically enter the Maiar application. Protection. Now it's time to complete some very important steps for security. The app will guide us through them. First, we will protect our wallet with a 4-digit PIN, with which we will access the app. Second, we can allow the app biometric access with our fingerprints to add more protection and make sure only you have access to it. Next, the app will provide us with a recovery phrase or seed phrase of 24 words. This step is extremely important, and this is why, if you ever have any cell phone issues and you want to recover your portfolio, that is, your funds, they will ask us for these 24 words. Our advice is to take the necessary time in this step. Write down these 24 words on an encrypted paper or file. Even keep a copy at home and another at the home of your parents, girlfriends-in-laws, grandparents. Never ever in an email, a text file, nothing that could be susceptible to hacking. Later, we will create our herotag. The herotag is something like a nickname, similar to what we use in social networks such as Instagram, Facebook, etc. Through this name, we can send and receive eGoLD, using only the username. Finally, we can give access to the application to connect to our phone and search for contacts in the phone book that already have Maiar installed. This is a 100% safe process which once done, will allow us to have peace of mind when buying, receiving and sending funds to other people. Postscript: we could save a copy in the iCloud, Google Drive, etc. So as in case of loss or misplacement, an exact replica of our wallet will save us. But always keep your 24 watts safely in a drawer. How to buy eGoLD. Let's pay attention to the 4 icons in the central part. From left to right we have Send, Deposit, Buy and Earn. For now we are going to look at the one that says Buy. By clicking on Buy, a submenu will appear in which you will see, in addition to your country of origin, a series of providers through which to buy eGoLD. We can buy by card or bank transfer. Each provider has a rate, which will be the percentage that they charge us for using their services. Let's select one of them and continue. Maiar will redirect us to a web page through which to make the transaction. We choose the quantity we want to buy and move on. Next, they will ask us to enter an email to check if we have an account with this provider. If it is the first time that we carry out this operation, we must register with them by providing an email address. Next, we will receive a notification with an access code. Once entered, we will fill our personal data: name, surname, age, address, etc. In addition to all this information, they will also ask us to prove our identity with a document: passport, ID, driver's license, something that proves that we are who we say we are. This operation is known as KYC, Know Your Customer or Know Your Client, and it is strictly mandatory whenever there is a fiat brand, purchase or sale associated with fiat currency. Once we create our profile with all the data, choose the payment method that best suits your needs. Check that the billing information is correct and proceed to enter the bank and/or credit card details. Finally, you will only have to confirm the payment. Check that all your information is correct: card number, security code, account number, Maiar address, etc. It is recommended to check the first 3 or 4 digits and the last 3 or 4 digits of your address, amount of eGoLD that you are going to buy, their cost, and the total price with the provider fee included. Accept the conditions and buy. They will probably ask you for a final operation in the form of a test, via SMS or mail, to make sure that the person who is buying is the owner of the account. Once it's finished, just wait for the transaction to be processed. The funds will be sent automatically to your Maiar address and will appear in your wallet ready to be delegated. How to stake. To delegate or stake our eGoLD and obtain an annual percentage on this same asset, let's go back to the central part and click on Earn. From left to right we can see 3 icons: Stake, Claim Rewards and Unstake. In the traditional sense, the word stake would be something like invest, because we are going to invest our eGoLD in one of the liquidity providers available to obtain interest. The app will provide us with a series of different options to delegate our capital. Let's see the basic information that the providers contain. In here, we can see their name, the annual percentage that we will receive, or APR, the number of people who have delegated their assets, the amount of eGoLD delegated to that provider, the delegation limit, the maximum number of tokens we can deposit at that time, and the margin that this provider has to be 100% complete. It's as simple as navigating the list that Maiar proposes. Just choose one of them, enter the amount you want to delegate, and keep your assets there. The platform will do the rest. How to reinvest. After the previous step, let's see how to redelegate our eGolds. Once you have your assets deposited in one of the providers, you will see that just below the word rewards, an assigned number appears. This figure is the compensation received that you are able to delegate again, generating more rewards, also known as compound interest. Clicking on Stake, another menu will appear with the amount of eGold that you are going to redelegate, its value in dollars, provider and network rate and the cost of this operation. Just redelegate and you are done. In a very short time, you will see your eGolds with the rewards compound grow. Depending on the amount of eGolds in your portfolio, compounding should be done at various frequency. How to send eGold. Once we have claimed our eGolds, or both without having delegated them to any of the providers, we can send them to our Maiar contacts. Let's go back for these 4 icons in the central part. From left to right we have Send, Deposit, Buy and Earn. Let's focus this time on Send. If we want to send funds to a friend, it is as simple as clicking on the Send icon. Add the amount, and Maiar will automatically show us the list of friends with the same application to whom we can send money. We choose that friend and check that everything is correct. Amount, person, etc. The app gives us the option to add the note as a reminder of why we are sending the funds. You can choose to do so if you think it's convenient. Just below there, it's a drop-down that says Details. In it you will see the address of the receiver and the network fee for this transaction. Once you have verified that everything is correct, click on Send. Enter your PIN or fingerprint, and the operation will be carried out in a few seconds. Easy, simple and safe. Thank you very much. We hope you liked this humble explanation and have a great understanding of this super tool called Maiar. Thanks for your time, and see you soon, warriors!